Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about DSers, a popular dropshipping app for Shopify. Specifically, we're going to answer the question, does DSers have a free plan? Before we dive into that, let's talk about what DSers is and why you might want to use it. DSers is a dropshipping app that allows you to connect your Shopify store to AliExpress, a massive Chinese e-commerce marketplace. This means you can sell products on your Shopify store without having to hold any inventory yourself. DSers will take care of ordering the products from AliExpress and shipping them directly to your customers. So, does DSers have a free plan? Yes, it does. The DSers basic plan is completely free to use. However, there are some limitations to the free plan. For example, you can only connect up to 3 stores and have up to 3,000 products. You also don't get access to some of the more advanced features, such as automatic inventory updates and product bundling. If you're just starting out with dropshipping, the free plan is a great way to get started. However, if you're serious about building a successful dropshipping business, you may eventually want to upgrade to one of the paid plans. So there you have it. DSers does have a free plan, but it's limited in features. If you're looking for a more comprehensive solution, you may want to consider upgrading to a paid plan. In addition to the free plan, DSers offers 2 paid plans, the Advanced plan and the Pro plan. The Advanced plan costs $19.90 per month and allows you to connect up to 10 stores and have up to 20,000 products. The Pro plan costs $49.90 per month and allows you to connect up to 25 stores and have up to 75,000 products. Both the Advanced and Pro plans offer a number of additional features, such as automatic inventory updates, product bundling, and advanced product filtering. Ultimately, the best DSers plan for you will depend on your individual needs and budget. If you're just starting out, the free plan may be all you need. However, if you're serious about building a successful dropshipping business, you may want to consider upgrading to one of the paid plans. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.